Good morning to day 32. Windy, storm's still up there. Apparently it's going to be laying off a bit today from the rain point of view, but the wind's going to kick up. Obviously I've come into some pretty shit news there. So that's going to have to be pumped out. I'm not too sure how long that will take to do. We've got a small pump, but it'll get it out, but it will take probably a couple of hours. So we need to get onto that ASAP. But everything seems to be reasonably dry, soaked away, nothing there, which is good and bad news. Good in as much as there's no water, bad news is the table absorbs, which means it will come up. But anyway, it's currently looking like this, which we need to deal with. So all of that work we did the other day can't even be seen, and at the same time we've got some of it falling in as well, which is a problem. This is all very soft, so I've got to be careful on all of it. So the biggest problem at the moment is trying to get the marl into there, so we need to get that pumped out, and this is a bit soft for my liking. So I need to talk to them about what we do there, because obviously lorries need to come on here, so the last thing we want to be doing is loading a lorry on here and then all of a sudden it gives way. So again, not ideal. The job has just been a bit disjointed. This all should have been done at the same time and filled at the same time. But anyway, we are where we are. Looking like everyone's going to be on site today anyway, so we've actually got the labourers are on site getting changed as we speak. Sean, the site manager's on here marking out obviously the columns and where they need to be and what size they need to be. The excavator team are en route and are ready to get a marl delivered. So from my point of view, it's just literally waiting for Sean to mark out what needs to be done, getting that pumped out sooner rather than later. And trying to build a bit of a plan about what we're doing and where we're going. Again, they should have cellophaned the blocks. They've cellophaned the outside, but obviously the top's not the cellophane, which means that the blocks are just getting absolutely soaked. And obviously the blocks need to dry out, so no work's getting out of cellophane today. But other than that, that's pretty much where we are. So drain out the swamp, order some, get the compactor in there, put some more stone and sand on top, and then get the carpenter sort of cracking on to doing the pillars, which are over there, which is basically going to be sealing the platform. Day 32 land up being a bit of a washout. Pretty much the island shut down at between 3 and 6 o'clock. I thought I'd take you out here to see, show you the actual wind. So the wind itself is pretty brutal. Apparently there's a storm, force 5, hurricane coming in tonight. So technically Barbados shut at 3 to 4 o'clock today, so everyone can get home, and then everyone's been out panic buying. So the shops were rammed, the traffic was absolutely unbelievable, and the wind is starting to get up as we speak. So I'll take you out here so you can see what I mean. It's not major at the moment. And this is quite windy. Wow. That I would say is probably about 10 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour. It's meant to get up to 45 to 50 miles an hour this evening, so we will see what happens there. We'll also have a look. Did have a little visitor. Looks like he's made a bit of a nest up there by the looks of it. Maybe he'll come back, or she, should I say. But anyway, so the storm is apparently meant to be coming through 2-3 in the morning at 45 to 60 miles an hour, so we shall see. But just to show you whereabouts we actually are, those two houses there, pretty much in between those two, that is the water, just there. So it'll be interesting to see if it actually comes right through, because if it does, it's going to be howling right through. So anyway, I've put things over to the back just in case, and then these chairs, they might land up next doors. Not really a lot I can do about those. But anyway, so today was pretty much off, unfortunately, so we'll wake up in the morning and see whether we're still here. If we are, we'll review whether we're going to be on site or not. Hopefully. I think it's day 33 today, not 32. But anyway, we'll recook tomorrow morning.